Hey guys, welcome back. Like I told you in my previous video that I'll be doing a sound quality test and I'll show you what is the sound quality and how is it performing. So I have used this one for a couple of days now, 2 days I think. This is performing well, and I am using this. So today I'll show you how to power it up and how to connect your phone, and how to use the volume up and down key. So this is the speaker. I'll switch it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so whenever this will come up that the Bluetooth device is ready to pair, then you have a thumbs up to go on and pair your phone. So this is my phone. I'll just show you how to power it up. I have switched on my Bluetooth device, and
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
yes, now this one is saying that Bluetooth device is connected successfully. The name in the phone will appear as DBS 002. So this is done. Now I'll show you the sound quality, actually what it is. So whenever the things will power up with this one, the lady from inside will speak to us. That's a funny thing. Okay. Okay guys, so this was the volume down and volume up key. So I have done it. I have kept it in zero volume now, so there is no sound now. This Bluetooth, this green light is glowing. That means that sound is coming up and everything is fine and music is coming up. So if for any chance that any call will come, I can directly switch this. I can directly press this button and the call will directly come here, and I can talk to the person directly from this. So what another benefit I have here is, for example, if I have a tablet or something like that and I am doing a voice call or something like that, or a Skype call, then what will happen is I can keep this one in front of my tablet and I can connect this one and I'll do a voice thing here there, and even with 4 or 5 people. Basically what this is good doing this for me is that most of the times I do conference call, international conference call. So what happens is computer is fine basically, but most of the times when I can't carry my laptop somewhere, or there is no good internet connection or something like that when I am outside, so for the portability I have got this one, so that I am doing with my tablet, and this will help me with that if there are 2 to 3 more people in one video conference. So what will happen is they can also hear very well. And how is the quality of the microphone, I don't know, I have to check it out and then I have to see. So let's power it up, let's volume it up and hear it once again. Okay guys, so that was it. And another thing that is that last time I saw someone have kept their speaker like this. They thought the position is like this, they can use like this and the sound will come from here, but that is actually wrong guys. So the speaker is this side and this side, both the side speaker is there. So what you have to do, this is the base plate, you have to keep it like this, so that sound will come out from this side, sound will come out from this side, and you have to operate it from up. So that is the thing, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. I'll do a review very quick. I'll be using this for another 5 to 10 days, and then I'll be knowing how it is performing, and then I'll give you a review on this. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.